A doll with a soul. Once upon a time, a 30-year-old woman named Miyoharu worked at a restaurant in Edo. One time, Sandeharu got a small doll from a customer. It's a very cute doll in the shape of a girl about 4 or 5 years old. Miyoharu liked this doll very much, and he made his own kimono, put it on the doll, and loved it like his own child. However, when I was in trouble with money, Miyo put several kimonos on the doll and wrapped it carefully with silk cloth, put it in a splendid wooden box and left it at a pawn shop and borrowed money. And leaving the doll as it is, when Sandeharu quit the store, he returned to his parents' house for the first time in more than a decade and started living with his mother. Well, a few months later, on a spring night, Sandeharu had a strange dream. The doll I loved when I was in the store appears in my dream and says this: "You quit the shop and live happily with your mother, but I've been dressed in many kimonos, and on top of that, I'm wrapped around with silk cloth, and I'm finally breathing after eating the sole of the kimono with the heat and suffocation. Please get it out of the dark pawn shop storehouse as soon as possible. Oh, it's hot. Oh, it's painful. Hurry, hurry." Hearing the voice of her daughter's nod, the mother woke up Sandeharu. "What's wrong with this? I was drenched in sweat." And the mother who heard about the doll from her daughter. "What have you done? Listen, dolls have a soul. What would you do if you were angry to put it in a pawn shop's storehouse as it is? If you need money, you have to ask your brother Ichizo to get the doll out as soon as possible." Saying that, I went to my brother Miyo, who lives in another town. When Ichikura heard his mother's story, he immediately went to the pawn shop and returned the money, and took out the doll that his sister Miyoharu had deposited from the storehouse. Ichizo opened the wooden box of the doll he took in at the storefront. When I took off the silk cloth that was wrapped, it seems that the soul of the doll was ripped off according to the story of the dream of the third generation spring. The end.